Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer funds with Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Wells Fargo website URL. Enter your username and password, then click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab located in the main menu. Select Transfer Funds from the drop-down menu. You will see options for transferring between your own accounts or to another Wells Fargo account or an external account. Choose the type of transfer you wish to make. If transferring between your own accounts, select the account you want to transfer from. Next, select the account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Choose the date for the transfer, either today or a future date. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If you are ready, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to confirm your identity with a security code sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter the security code in the provided field and click Submit. After confirming, you will receive a summary of your transfer. Make sure to save or screenshot this confirmation for your records. If transferring to an external account, select Add External Account first. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for the external account. Once added, return to the transfer screen and select the newly added external account. Repeat the steps for entering the transfer amount and selecting the transfer date. Confirm your identity if prompted and click Submit to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation email for your transfer shortly after it is completed. Lastly, log out of your online banking account for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.